I don't know why it's not working. Piece of crap.
Ooh. Not working?
It's showing me it's playing, but I'm not hearing it. So I don't know what's going on. Frick.
Wow. Hey, remember what we discussed? What we was going to do? If someone donated $100 back
Yeah.
in the day?
Yeah.
What was the discussion?
I don't remember.
Oh, come on, you can remember. What
No.
was the discussion if someone donated $100?
I don't remember.
Had to do with the water.
You were gonna throw me in?
Someone was going to jump in for $100.
Well,
I think I'll take this.
Cobbable said skinny dipping.
For $100, someone was going to jump in the lake.
No, don't jump in. Are you jumping in? Guys, I think he's jumping in. Ophio says, no, nobody going in. I don't know where he went. Okay, he's over there. He's down there. He's taking his socks and shoes off. For real, Ophio. He's doing this. Empty your pockets. Ophio says, Shane, sit. Shane's going swimming.
Ooh, I don't know how deep it is.
You...
Woo! Hope I can have everything up my pocket.
I hope so too. Watch the fishing lines, goofball.
It's very cold.
Good thing we have towels and clothes in the car, huh? I can't come help you. Ophio said he wasn't here for that discussion. That was our discussion between us. I hope you had no ID or anything in your pockets.
Don't do that during the wintertime, please.
Oh my God. I'll get you a towel, fool. Ophio says, sheesh, y'all, LMAO, now you done got your undies wet.
You get my shirt?
Cold in the car. Shorts and undies you should have in the car.
Get that money because it don't blow in there.
Ah.
Keep going. All right, the fish should be biting now.
After you jumped in there and scared the shit out of them? You got grass stains on your shorts. Somehow. No, he took his cigarettes out of his pocket. They're safe. That's their change now.
What?
You're going to be frozen and dripping wet all day.
You know what? You change.
Right beside the car in the woods there. Open both back, open the front and back door on the passenger side, and you got privacy. That's how I would do it. And, it's not Christmas, FYI. Well, Opio, thank you so much.
Well, that's what we discussed before we started streaming.
Before we ever started, we said if someone ever donated $100, one of us would jump in. But nobody else better do it, because I don't want to jump in.
Jackie's turn next time.
Opio said no, thank you.
Thank you, Opio. Wow. Alright, where's my smoke?
In there, with everything else. You might want to put that stuff in the car.
Put it in your pocket.
Aren't you going to be cold?
Be fine.
Opio says LMAO and after swim smoke.
Yep, definitely. I'm just glad it was deep enough there.
I figured it should be. I didn't really think you would do it. They must have had flash flooding again last night. And all this debris coming down. Probable says, as a joke, he says, and now they see it was $10. No, I know it was more. You're dripping.
I ruined my shirt short though.
Alright, Opio. He says, alright guys, let me get out of here before I get yelled at.
Go fishing, Opio. Thank you, brother.
Thank you so much.
Wow. I'm going to be driving my shoes out again tonight.
He says, good luck today, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank
wow.
you, Opio. Thank you.
It's amazing. First person to make us jump in the river.
Yep.
You're not allowed to swim here either. There's a big old sign up there that says no swimming.
It doesn't say it down here. It says it right at the entrance. The park.
At least there wasn't too many people in here. What's going on, Pleco? You just missed it. I jumped in.
Yeah. Thanks, probable. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, Pleco. We had talked about, before we ever started streaming, if we ever got a $100 dono, that one of us would jump in the river. Well, we got a $100 dono today, so Shane jumped in the river. He said that's so cool, and congrats, guys.
It is cool. Very cool.
Thank you.
Not even 70 degrees here.
No. Probable said I'm posting it for Tackle Box. You'll be Tackle Box Tuesday famous, baby.
Has a cool stream last night, Bucko.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah. So what we did was, we hosted the stream, then we tweeted it out.
Yeah.
And Ed came in last night. Little Ed,
Yeah.
he's a big part of the fishing community. He tweeted it out also.
Yeah. He was pretty excited about it.
Yeah, he was hyped over the stream
Yeah.
last night.
A snake is coming in your door, though. Creepy.
Yeah, freaking Copperhead tried to come in his house last night.
I think I would have blocked it right there. He says you guys are so
Manitoba.
He said you guys are so awesome. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate more than words can describe.
Oh, no problem.
You're welcome. Pretty cool. I used to have a lot of aquariums too. I didn't raise fish though on purpose. I just had them for the kids. I had sharks and plecos and goldfish. I had a pleco that got he was probably 1.5 foot.
They get that big?
They get big. I had them in a pond.
My clothes are all wet. My clothes all wet.
Why are your clothes all wet?
I don't know. Everyone thinks I peed myself.
You did.
Can you folks keep fishing without my help?
Oh, yeah. I think we can manage.
Okay, because I really have to keep walking.
All right.
If that's okay?
Yeah, that's all right. Thank you, buddy. You have a good one.
You should at least take the towel and try and wring some water out of your pants with it.
I got shorts in there.
Yeah, you do. It's an underwear.
I'm not change my underwear here in the river. I might put some dry shorts on now.
All right. Just do like I said. Open both
I
doors.
will change on this road. I get too short.
He's not shy. Not at all. He is changing on the road, too. Weirdo. For real, Shane?
Yeah. Here comes some girls.
That's why, huh? He just literally changed on the side of the road.
I get too shit.
He kept his wet underwear on. You need the Discord for Tackle Box Culpable? Are you on Twitter? Because they just posted it on Twitter again. I don't know, maybe I can link it? You hate Twitter, okay. Well, let's see.
Who hates Twitter?
Culpable. I saw that Tackle Box had just sent a new invite out for their Discord again, so I'll see if I can share it in chat, because he wants to. Pleco says he doesn't do Twitter either.
Oh, you have to, Pleco. It's good for your stream.
It is. It helps get people in. Not that you have to. It's helpful.
Yeah.
better with some dry shorts on? Other than the wet dookie? Because I need to for my fish also.
Yeah.
It helps.
I never use it, but we only use it for streaming.
Once in a while I post pictures of what we're doing or whatever. But, so where was that?
Everyone don't like to turn their alerts on for stream, for Twitch.
Right.
But they'll usually check out Twitter, and then they can find out you're streaming from Twitter.
Yeah, too many apps to keep up with. You are right. Yeah, the live well. I can't.
It's the live well.
Yeah, that's what he put.
.net.
So that's the.
Website.
Yeah, I think you can enter it on their website. Yeah, the livewell.net. Let me type that in here. If you don't do it right. Actually, if you just go like this.
It's thelivewell.net.
Go to that website, Probable, and I think there's a spot where they have, where you can enter clips for the Tackle Box Tuesday. Oh, you're on their Twitter site? Okay. Then it should be like the top tweet is their Discord invite. The very first one says, join the Discord and post your fish pics. Discuss fishing and find out when you can watch fishing live. So if you click on that link, it'll take you to their Discord and let you get accept the invite. Yep. At least for me, it's the top one.
Well, maybe these fish will start biting after I jump in. I don't have to fly any more line.
Are you feeling refreshed, my love?
Yeah, refreshed already.
Wow.
Still can't believe OPO.
I know. I know.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Good.
Woo!
You gonna catch some fish?
Morning, Puerto Rican. Thank you for the goodies.
Thank you, Puerto Rico. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
And how have you been?
Yeah. Hope everything's been working good for you. Going well. I don't know why Ophio's song didn't play though.
Got scammed. Opio got scammed.
She says everything's going great. Thanks for asking. You are welcome.
You just missed it, Puerto Rico. I jumped in the river.
It's playing now.
It is.
Well, it shows it is, but I can't hear it.
Can you guys hear that? Is something playing on there? Can you guys hear it and we're not hearing it?
Yes. Pleco, I think it got clipped. You bet. Oh, nice. Puerto Rican says they spent the weekend with the in-laws up on Lake Erie.
Oh.
Pleco says, yeah, they can hear it.
Oh, they can hear it, so we couldn't hear it.
I-
All right.
Well, that I have to play with then, too. Something changed with that.
Yeah.
Because it shows me it's playing. It's Baby Shark. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby Shark.
Okay. Did you get to go fishing Puerto Rican up there? I've never been. Always wanted to go.
It says it's not very loud.
Okay.
It should almost be done.
Well, they probably can't hear it.
It's done. Okay. Oh, there was Baby Shark playing. The song Baby Shark.
Oh.
No, he said it wasn't. He heard my chili peppers. That's what he heard. Culpable says, don't know if Opio wants his name in it, so I'm asking you with the info on the clip. Should I mention Opio gave the $100 or not?
Yeah, I wouldn't mention. I would just mention there was a $100 donation.
Yeah, maybe don't put his name for now.
Since he's not in here.
Yeah, you can ask him. He says, no, we went to a zoo/water park with the babies. We fed a giraffe and I petted it. It was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nice. Giraffe tongues are nasty.
Did you ever feed the giraffe
Yes.
the first time?
Yes.
So one of our first dates, Puerto Rican, was here at the Columbus Zoo when she came and visit. And you got to feed the giraffes up to there, huh?
Yep.
Was it banana peelings? What did we feed them?
It wasn't like this last time we went, they were giving them lettuce, but I don't remember what we fed them the first
I'm
time.
pretty sure it was something to do with bananas. The bananas or the peelings or something?
I don't know. I can't remember. He said, yeah, he wrapped his tongue around my hand to get the carrot. It felt like a giant cat tongue.
Yeah.
And then the saliva, ugh, grossed me out.
It was cool though, right?
It was cool, but it was gross at the same time.
That's one of my favorite things to do is to go to the zoo. I love it. I mean, I love the zoo.
So when are we going again?
I don't know, baby. Well, you never got to go during the wintertime when they have all the Christmas lights.
No. The first time you took me was in the fall, was in September.
Yeah.
And then the next time you took me was in July, was this July. But he says there's so many people live out there.
Yeah.
Or live out there. He says the in-laws live right by the East Harbor State Park.
Oh, nice. I wish you got to do some fishing and tell us how it was, but maybe next time you guys go up there.
Cobblebull's trying to talk to Opio. He says, he left his account logged in. Hate it when you do that, so we do not know if they're here or not. LOL.
Alright. Sounds like he's getting kicked out to go do some fishing.
Yeah, he might have it on in the background while he's getting ready to go fishing. Said he was headed out, so the wife told him he needed to go fishing. Okay, sounds good, Cobblebull. He says he'll post it later when he answers.
Alright.
Because it'll say his name in the chat below the clip too. It'll say that because we were talking to him when it. So, but it is better to ask. Cobblebull says, "No, don't want to make it confusing for
right here, in this boat.
live well." He said. I got a log on my other pole. Oh yeah. Woo! Good job.
right.
No?
Dog in nowhere.
Why? I don't know what it is. Turtle bite.
Jumped in the damn river.
Cold?
Well, it's sure not warm. We just need some bites. You think I scared all the fish by jumping in?
I have. I bet you, Puerto Rican, your littles had fun at the zoo.
Mm-hmm. I bet.
Yeah.
The zoo's amazing thing. It don't matter if you're young or you're old.
Yeah. Flecko says $100 was worth it.
Yeah.
Well, that's the thing. Before we ever started our streaming, we talked about it, and we said if we ever got a donation that big, we would jump in. One of us would jump in the river or the lake, wherever we were fishing.
Don't do it at winter time.
Oh.
No $100 tips there in the winter. My fish call.
Do your fish call.
Keep the turtles away.
I have goosebumps just thinking about you being wet and breathe. It's not that warm. Sal says he went skydiving and Rocky Mountain climbing.
Yeah.
Tom asked if you warmed up yet.
No time. I'm cold. Still got wet underwear on.
And wet shoes.
Let's see them through.
Soaking through?
Yeah, soaking through.
They changed it.
Did you see the guy walking by when I jumped in?
He's like, oh, what's he doing? He says, will you both do it for another 100?
Heck yeah, bring it on. I'll jump in this river all day.
All right, Cobble Ball. He said he sent Opio a private message.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I found my old lighter I was missing.
Tom says, I should have told the guy that you lost your favorite lure and was trying to get it back, LOL.
Yeah. He was walking back when I got out.
Yeah.
I'm
I
like,
think
hey.
he stayed close to see what you would do.
I'm like, hey, what's going on? He just looked at me and laughed.
Yeah.
He's an Asian guy.
Culpable says, just remember, you said both of you for the next one.
Well, you got your bathing suit? You have to put a sweatshirt on and jump in.
Why would I jump in with a sweatshirt? I'll probably put the sweatshirt on after I jumped in now.
See, your top's covered up.
There's no worries today. Nothing to see. Flecko said, LOL. Culpable says, always bring extra clothes. Well, we always have clothes in the car. I would have to wear Shane's sweatpants and a sweatshirt when I got out, though. I would be too cold. Flecko said, be sure to bring your spare set of clothes from now on, LOL.
Yeah. Well, after are we streaming almost 4 months now? 3.5? 4 months.
Almost 4.
first time we had to do it.
Yep. Putty says time for a big one now. I hope so. Hope we get a big fish. Probable says just know what's coming when we tell Shane to go start the car and put the heat on.
I think I scared all the fish though.
Yep, I think you did.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind getting a little fish tank again after watching Franco stream.
Yeah.
Get some little catfish.
Oh yeah.
That's what I had as a child. We had catfish, but they end up getting so big, man. They say fish don't get big in fish tanks, but they
grow to their environment.
They outgrew that fish tank, man. We had to let them go in this. We got them when they was, about this big. They was just a black speck. Catfish, they get up and they school together when they're that small.
Yeah.
And we brought them home, and they ended up getting them. I swear some of them got that big.
Flecos are catfish.
Oh, they are? Okay. We had to let them go in the creek. We just had channel cats though. Ours was just channels.
It's a sucker mouth catfish.
Okay.
I had some of them, but they got big. They are kind of pretty though. Come look. This is like the one I had. Right here.
Yeah, they showed one just like that last night.
It's like the one I had. He says there are some cats that stay small and are pretty cute looking. Hey, Sandy.
Oh, Sandy.
You missed it. Shane went swimming. Literally. And on purpose. I remember teaching my kids when we got the flecos. I made them call them the full name of Fucostomus. And they were all like, I can't say that word. I said, well, you gotta try. Look up a jellycat? Okay. Jellycat. It shows me a teddy bear.
There's a teddy bear.
It does, look. Jellycat. That's what I get.